What we're gonna work on is taking the AC control module unit out so we can change the bulb, because this bulb, this is not illuminating, but this side is. So there's a bulb back here, one right here, and then there's one over here. So we're gonna take this one out and to switch it out so it can illuminate again. So first thing is first, what we're gonna do is lower the steering wheel, of course. Sorry, there's a lot of sunlight today. But under here we have one bolt and another bolt here. So that I've already released those bolts under those. So what we're gonna do is just pry this thing out. So we're just gonna pull this out like that. There you go. And there you go. Get this pry stick here. Pry this. Take that out. You have to pry this from the bottom, and then it hooks on from the top up here, and then just move that out of the way. And then right there, it looks like there's a bolt right there I gotta release, and then another one right here. Anyway, so that's loose. So from up above, you gotta unplug these here. There's one, and then there's two. And that should release everything. Okay, so over here on this side, unplug this. Just plug here. Now, there's one other. That those two plugs go to these two units, the side mirrors and the light. And then up here, this one goes to the emergency light button switch, and then this one goes to the clock. Okay, so next we're gonna unscrew this, and this one's missing, and then take these nozzles out. So we'll take the nozzles out. There's one, There's 2. And there's 3. And then let me take those. 1, 2, 3. Take those out. And then you got one more bolt right here in the center that you need to take out. And then you pull this whole assembly out. Okay, it looks like well, for this project we were just changing the bulb, so we really don't have to take the whole unit out. Really, you can get needle pliers and just turn this and then take the bulb out. And on the bulb you have this little rubber piece that covers it, and then this is the bulb that connects into it. After replacing the bulb, and the correct bulb is this one, 73, purchased at AutoZone. Now the bulb lights up.